Okay, I got some cleaning done. So let's see about removing this guy. Ew. Or is that another plug? No? Well, I don't think so. Oh, that feels like it's so easy. Oh. That's all. Okay, the threads only go up just a little ways, so we can get. Oh man, it's turning. But it sure doesn't like it. Okay. I'm really worried about running off the head. I can get a big screwdriver in there, maybe. No. Dang. Yeah, I can hear it spring. Move around there, so I know. There it is. What's going on there? Yeah, so I have a cap or something he does. He just does one. What is it? There's one thing to get out of there. Okay. I also feel like I'm rounding off the head. Every time the screwdriver slips. Like that. It gets me that much closer to rounding off the head. And no matter how much crap I pull out of here, it seems like there's more crap in there. Let's see what some penetrating oil can do. Yeah, I guess that's enough. Oh man, I think it's almost there. I just have to keep working at it. It's a race between, will it work its way loose or will the head round off first? Oh, or will my arm give out? Finally got it. Look at that. Lots of corrosion. That's definitely not going back in. Oh, that was a arm workout though, I tell you what. But now, oops. Now all this stuff can be cleaned. So I won't make you watch that. I'll clean it up as best I can, put it back together, and then it'll have to wait for a rebuild kit so I can replace some of the worn out bits. I missed a piece down inside here after the, where'd it go? After this guy comes out, there's another piece that sits in there, and there it is. It's not very big, but I don't remember what it's called. It's a little brass piece. So I have some new tools to work with here. I have my parts cleaner, homemade parts cleaner, with my really sophisticated brush and nozzle system here, and then that all goes down into a bucket that has a pump that throws it back up here, so I can have constant running cleaning solution. And then I've got a strainer here which catches, this is all stuff that came off the air cleaner. Yeah, right? That, you know, but because of the strainer, it didn't go down into the bucket and get sucked up by the pump again. So also, if I drop any of these things in there, it'll fall into that basket instead of falling into the bucket, and then I have to go look in the bucket for it. Anyway, and then I have a little sonic, ultrasonic parts cleaner, and I've cleaned a couple things, but this will be the first carburetor that I clean in the sonic cleaner. So I'm not going to record that. I will just show you what the results are when I'm finished.